There are so many businesses one can start today with little or no money. With some creativity, resourcefulness, and effort, you can find a business that is right for you and make money. In this video, I'll share 5 business ideas, and if you stick with me to the end, I will share a bonus business idea that I paid someone $3,000 for a few hours of their time. Without any further ado, here are the 5 businesses you can start today with little or no money. Business number 1, same-day photography. If you are good at taking photos or short videos, you can provide same-day service to clients who want to share their special occasion on social media as it happens. The traditional way is to wait a week or so to get the photos from the photographer. Some people don't want to wait that long for photos of their wedding, graduation, or birthday party. Think of a young couple on their wedding day. You can take photos or short videos of their wedding and share with the couple right away so they can post on their social media platforms to allow their family, friends, and fans to get updates of the event as it unfolds. This is a problem that you can solve and make money. Let's move on to the second business idea. Create content. If you have a topic or a subject you are interested in or have expertise in a certain field, you can create content and post online for the world to enjoy your masterpiece. I heard someone say, nowadays everything is content. So press the record button whenever you are doing things that you already do on a daily basis and share online. It could be cooking, baking, painting, singing, or playing a musical instrument. You will be surprised how many people in the world will enjoy watching your content. One lady told me that she used to watch hours of YouTube videos of people eating. Who knew that was a thing? So press the record button, start eating, and post online. But remember, content creation is a long-term play. It takes time to make money creating content. But when you do, it's as passive income as it gets. You need time to accumulate a good following before money starts coming in. But with consistency and quality content, you can be successful and make money. Examples of content creation ideas include blogging, vlogging, posting content on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and LinkedIn. My wife decided to pivot from running a house cleaning business to creating content on YouTube. She focused on sharing house cleaning tips, hacks, and reviewing cleaning products and tools. Today, YouTube deposits money into her account monthly, even if she didn't post a new video. Check her channel at The Clean Loft and tell her Kenny sent you. The third business idea is sell digital products. Digital products come in various forms. Examples include templates, contracts, ebooks, courses, or checklists for conducting personal or business activities. Earlier in my marriage, we used an online service to create our wills and power of attorney documents. We used their templates to fill in our personal information, and in few minutes, the documents were ready for download and signing. We also used a similar service to create our partnership agreement for our business. Moving on to the fourth business idea. Create online courses or provide tutoring services. When my wife and I started our real estate business, we paid $500 for an online course to learn about the business. If you are knowledgeable in any particular subject or field, you can offer tutoring services or create and sell online courses. Online platforms like Udemy, Thinkific, Skillshare, Teachable, and Podium make it easy for course creators to reach a global audience. Business number 5, sell handmade goods and artifacts. If you are gifted in making nice things or artifacts, you can sell them on platforms like Etsy or Pinterest and make a very good money there. My 7-year-old daughter tells me she wants to be rich and is always asking me for ways to make money. Maybe I should advise her to sell your art on Etsy because art is one of your gifts. Since you stuck with me up to this point, you deserve a bonus, my friend. The bonus business idea you can consider is consulting. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can offer consulting services to individuals or businesses for a fee. Whether it's investing, marketing, or personal finance, your knowledge is valuable. My wife and I paid one gentleman $3,000 to consult on a business transaction. His job was to advise us and make sure we were not making mistakes on such a big transaction. All to show that there is money to be made if you are an expert in something. My wife is always on my case for providing free tax and investment advice to people. Maybe one day I'll charge for it. So there you have it, my friends. 6 businesses you can start with very little or zero money. As you can see, most of these businesses can be done at the comfort of your home. And you can make money online. How easy is that? But remember, even with low startup costs, it's very important to research and plan before jumping in headfirst. In most cases, it's wiser to register your business and buy appropriate insurance to protect yourself and your business. And last but not least, it's crucial to provide excellent service to your customers in order to build a positive reputation and attract more customers. With that, let's go make some money, amigos. If this video helped you, please share, like, and subscribe to the channel. This will help the channel to reach more people. And don't forget to leave a comment. This is Kenny signing off. Thank you for watching. And remember, there's greatness in you. Until next time, stay blessed, my friends.